Do you have a one-shoulder garment in your DIY wardrobe? In this tutorial, we're going to sew the Abelia blouse from scratch using a minimal amount of fabric. This top blouse features a soft elastic puff sleeve, clean neck opening using fusible interfacing and facing. Hello, welcome to Fashion Wonder. My name is Sunju, the creator of this channel, to help you buy less, sew more, and make DIY clothing. I used a lightweight poly-blended linen print fabric, but you can use any fabric that has a nice drape such as viscose, rayon, and poly crepe as alternatives. Take your time and have fun finding the perfect fabric. To sew bust dart on the blouse, use a pin to punch through the dart point on the right side of the front top sewing pattern. Flip the paper pattern to the wrong side and transfer the punched hole to the fabric. Use water erasable pen and ruler to connect the notches of dart leg and pin point on both sides. Fold the bust darts in half lengthwise on the wrong side of the fabric to match the dart legs and pin. Start straight stitching from the bust dart notch and end at the point without stitching back and forth. Double tie the ends of the thread. Press the dart facing towards the hem. To close and sew shoulder tucks, follow the sewing pattern and notches on the shoulder. Fold towards the neck and away from the armhole to pin 2 tucks. Straight stitch 1/4 inches to keep the tucks in position and lightly steam press the beginning of the tucks. To assemble one shoulder blouse, place right side of the front top and back top pieces facing each other. Straight stitch along the shoulder seam and both side seams with 3/8 of an inch width seam allowance. Then overlock to finish. Press the seams facing backwards and set aside. To make neckline facing, prepare fusible interfacing of the front top neck interfacing and back top neck interfacing. Then iron press without steam. Gently press to melt the interfacing to the wrong side of the fabric. Overlock the raw edges on the bottom of the front and back neck facing. Lay right side of the front top neck facing and back top neck facing against each other. Pin to sew 3/8 of an inch with seam allowance with overlock to finish. Press the seam toward the back piece. Next, join the neck facing on the blouse. Simply slide the neck facing through the bodice, right sides facing each other, and match the side seams together. pin around the neck opening and straight stitch 3/8 of an inch with seam allowance. Open the facing and edge top stitch on the facing piece. Fold the facing over toward the inside and press with an iron. Adjust the sewing machine to 5.0 stitch length and edge straight stitch 1/4 inch width from the sleeve notch to back sleeve notch. Fold the sleeve in half lengthwise, right side facing each other, and pin along the underarm seam. Straight stitch 3/8 of an inch width and overlock to finish. Double fold the sleeve hem 1/2 an inch width and edge top stitch to create tunnel for the elastic. When sewing around the sleeve opening, leave about 1 to 1.5 inch gap to insert the elastic band. Slide the elastic through the tunnel around the sleeve opening. Overlap the elastic piece for 1/4 inch to 3/8 of an inch and zigzag stitch to join. Close the 1 inch gap on the tunnel by continuing and connecting the straight stitch. Gently pull the thread on the top of the sleeve to create even gathering. Slide the right side of the sleeve to the right side of the bodice and pin around the armhole. Sew 3/8 of an inch with seam allowance and overlock to finish the raw edges. Lastly, finish 1 shoulder long sleeve blouse by double folding the hemline about 1/4 inch width and straight stitch around. Press the seam and set aside. Give a nice press all around the blouse to enjoy your finished Abelia blouse top. Thank you for watching. Hope this video inspires you to make the Abelia blouse with me. If you like this sewing tutorial video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the next sewing challenge. Scroll down to the description below to locate the Abelia top sewing pattern. Additionally, you can find step-by-step picture instructions on the website for you to follow. Share your DIY top on Instagram at #FashionWonderOfficial to get featured and follow us for more inspiration.